Today, we're re-exploring how technology is shaping the future of construction. With 3D printed buildings that are not just faster, cheaper, and more sustainable, but also beautiful works of art. It was only a few years ago that we saw the first 3D printed skyscraper proposed. A 70-story residential tower in Dubai. Last year, we saw the first steps towards the commercialization of this technology, with the completion of the world's first 3D printed office building. The pace of innovation in this field has been incredible, which is why we decided to dedicate an entire episode to the future of 3D printed buildings and what they might look like. Join us as we look at some of the most exciting developments in this field, from new materials to new techniques to new ways of thinking about construction altogether. We hope you'll be as excited about the future of 3D printed buildings as we are. So let's get started. One of the most exciting developments in 3D printing for buildings is the use of new materials. For example, a startup called BlackRock Manufacturing has developed a new type of concrete that can be 3D printed by robots and is stronger than steel. This material could revolutionize the way we build skyscrapers, making them taller, stronger, and more sustainable. Another company called X-Tree is developing a new type of bamboo-based material that can be used for 3D printing. Bamboo is a fast-growing renewable resource that is stronger than steel, at 1/3 of the weight. When combined with a polymer, it can be printed by robots and used to create unique and complex shapes. This material has a wide range of applications in construction, including the creation of walls, floors, and roofs. In addition to these developments, there are also exciting new techniques that are being developed for 3D printing buildings. For example, a team of researchers from the University of Cambridge and the University of Oxford have developed a new method for creating large-scale 3D printed structures using a robot arm. This technique involves printing the structure in layers and then using a robotic arm to stitch the layers together. This method has the potential to create structures that are both strong and lightweight. But perhaps even more exciting is the development of new ways of thinking about construction altogether. A company called New Story is using 3D printing to create affordable housing in developing countries. The company has developed a new type of housing that can be printed in just a few hours, using a robot, and that costs only a few $100s to make. This could have a huge impact on the lives of millions of people who currently live in poverty. These are just a few of the most exciting developments in the world of 3D printing for buildings. It's an incredibly innovative field, with the potential to change the way we build and live in the future. Now, let us take a look at some of the most exciting examples of 3D printed buildings that are being built around the world today. From small-scale projects to large-scale developments, we'll see how 3D printing is being used to create unique and innovative structures that push the boundaries of what's possible. In fact, one company is using 3D printing to create artificial coral reefs that will help to restore damaged ecosystems and provide new habitats for marine life. Another company is using 3D printing to create prosthetic limbs for amputees in developing countries. We'll also take a look at some of the challenges that are facing the 3D printing industry, such as the need for new materials and the development of new skills and expertise. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of 3D printing are so great that it's an industry that's well worth keeping an eye on. So if you're interested in the future of construction and the amazing things that are being built all around the world, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more updates. Together, we can explore the amazing innovations that are shaping the future of our world. We've shown you some amazing examples of 3D printed buildings, from the world's tallest 3D printed tower to the innovative work of companies like New Story and X-Tree. But now we want to hear from you. What do you think of the future of 3D printed buildings? Do you see them as a viable and sustainable solution for the housing crisis? Or do you think there are other challenges that need to be addressed first? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content that explores the intersection of technology and sustainability. Together, we can build a better future.